God, I'm Mary Wangui, and I'll sing. When I think upon your goodness and your faithfulness each day, I'm convinced of nothing 'cause I am worthy to receive the kindest love that you give. But I'm grateful for your mercy, and I'm grateful for your grace. And it's because of how you followed yourself and made a way to enter into your throne. Imela, Imela, oh kaka, oh ikelua. Imela, Imela, Ezemo. And who am I, Lord? And who am I to sing your praises? And who am I to worship you, Lord? And who am I to worship you? And it's because of how you followed yourself and made a way to enter into your throne.